Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send Zoho Click channel message on LinkedIn Lead Gen form submission. So I'm using LinkedIn Lead Gen to receive new leads for my business, and here in this case I want whenever I receive a new lead through my LinkedIn Lead Gen form, then automatically a lead alert message should be sent to my team on my Zoho Click channel so that I don't miss any lead. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send Zoho Click channel messages for new LinkedIn leads. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I use LinkedIn leads to generate leads for my business, and it's important that my team responds quickly to new opportunities. So instead of manually notifying everyone, I want then whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my LinkedIn lead ad form, then automatically a new lead alert notification should be sent to my team on my Zoho Click channel. So here to automate this entire process, I'm going to set up an automation to send a Zoho Click channel message whenever a new LinkedIn lead comes in. This way, my team gets instant updates and can immediately start working on follow-ups. It keeps everyone in the loop, helps us stay organized, and ensures we don't miss any potential clients. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my LinkedIn lead ad with my Zoho Click account. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send Zoho Click channel message on LinkedIn Lead Gen form submission. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you can click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn Lead Gen forms. So LinkedIn Lead Ads is a tool that allows businesses to collect leads directly from LinkedIn through targeted ads. When someone clicks on your ad, their information is automatically filled in from their LinkedIn profile, making it easy for them to submit their details. People use LinkedIn Lead Ads because it simplifies the process of capturing high-quality leads, especially from professionals and decision makers. It's an effective way to reach and engage the right audience for your business without making them fill out long forms. So here in my LinkedIn Lead Gen forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead gen form response. So that whenever a new lead is going to be generated in my LinkedIn Lead Gen form, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever a new lead is going to be generated in my LinkedIn Lead Gen form, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And now here to connect my LinkedIn Legion forms with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LinkedIn Legion Forms account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn Legion Forms. And here you can see it is asking me for the email and the password. And here as I've already logged in my LinkedIn Legion form, then automatically it has taken my email and the password of my account. And now here after entering both the details, here I'm going to click on this sign in. Authorization successful. And now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here for the account I'm going to select my account from this drop down menu given over here, and from here I'm going to select my account as Naveen Kole. And now here after selecting my account, here it is asking me to select the lead form. So here to get this particular lead form, let me take you to my LinkedIn Legion form account. And here in my LinkedIn Legion form account, under this ads, you can see all the ads which I have created for my use till now. So here in this case, we are going to use this particular form, and here you can see that all my ads are in the draft mode. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the lead form, I am going to select a form which is named as Sample Legion form. And now here after selecting my account and the lead form, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. But here before clicking on this save and send test request, I'm going to generate a test lead in my LinkedIn Legion form so that I can capture a response over here. So to generate a test lead, let me take you back to my LinkedIn Legion forms. So from here, I'm going to select my particular form. And now here I'm going to click on this apply now and enter some dummy data and do a test submission. And here you can see it is asking me for the email address and the phone number. And here after scrolling little down, here you can see the first name, last name and the company name is static. That means here I cannot enter any of the values over here. That is because here my campaign is in draft mode. But if you are running a live campaign, then automatically your lead will receive an option to enter the first name, last name and the company name also. So here to generate a test lead, I'm going to enter a random email address such as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And then here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And now here after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. That means here we have successfully generated a test lead in our LinkedIn lead ad form. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after generating a test lead, here I'm going to click on this save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the lead type, ID, form name, scrolling little down. Here you can see the email address that we entered as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And here you can see the phone number, scrolling little down. Here you can see the first name, last name and a company name and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up this trigger over here. But now here let me tell you that LinkedIn Legion form is a pooling based application. That means it will look for the new responses in every 10 minutes. And with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now let's move to action step. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Zoho Click. So Zoho Click is a team communication tool that makes it easy for people to chat, share files and collaborate in real time. It's like a virtual workspace where teams can stay connected through messaging, video calls and channels for different topics or projects. People use Zoho Click because it simplifies communication and helps keep everyone on the same page whether they are working in the office or remotely. With its integration with other Zoho apps and popular tools, it's great for boosting productivity and making teamwork more efficient. So here in my Zoho Click action step, I'm going to select my action event as send message to channel so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my LinkedIn Legion form, then automatically a new lead alert message will be sent to my team on my Zoho Click channel. And now here to connect my Zoho Click with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Zoho Click account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho Click. And here you can see it is asking me to enter the domain over here. So here in the instruction it says enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to from the below options. So here to get this domain name, let me take you to my Zoho Click account. And here you can see my domain name is zoho.in. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to enter my domain name as zoho.in. And now here, after entering my domain name, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to click on this accept and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. And now here, after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the channel. So here, to get this particular channel name, let me take you back to my Zoho Click account. And here you can see I have created this channel with the name LinkedIn Leads. So I want, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my LinkedIn Leads form, then automatically a new lead alert message should be sent on this particular channel. So moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here I'm going to select my channel as LinkedIn Leads. And now here, after selecting my channel, here it is asking me to enter the message. That means here I need to enter the message which I want to send to my team on my Zoho Click channel on every new LinkedIn lead received. And here you can see the message which I have drafted. It says new LinkedIn lead alert. You have got a new lead from LinkedIn, name, leads name, email, leads email, and the company, that is Leads Company. Take a moment to review their details and follow up promptly to make the most of this opportunity. So here you can see I have placed a variable in front of this name, email, and company. So here I'm going to replace these variables, and here I'm going to enter the lead's name, email, and the company. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead in our LinkedIn leads form, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the name. So for that I'm going to search for the first name. So here I'm going to map the first name, then space, and here I'm going to map the last name. And here for the leads email, I'm going to map my leads email. So I'm going to search for the email. So this is my leads email. And here I'm going to map my leads company name. So for that, I'm going to search for the company name. So this is my company name. And now here, after mapping all the details, I have successfully entered the message over here. And then here it is asking me to enter the bot name and the bot image. So here for the bot name, here I'm going to enter my bot name as new lead alert. Here you can give the bot name as per your need, and then here it is asking me for bot image. So here it is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, but if you want to add any bot image, then you can do it as per your need. And then here for the sync message, I'm going to select it as false, and now here, after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a message on our Zoho Click channel. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message over here with the bot name as new lead alert and the message as new LinkedIn lead alert. You have got a new lead from LinkedIn. Name, first name, last name, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and the company as Magnet Brains. Take a moment to review their details and follow up promptly to make the most of this opportunity. So this is the message which our team has received, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as LinkedIn leads forms and our action as Zoho Click, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn leads form, then automatically a new LinkedIn lead alert message should be shared with my team on my Zoho Click channel. And now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.